Your rights to long-term disability benefits as a result of COVID. Are you in one of those 3 at-risk groups? Research has shown that there are at least 3 at-risk groups who will go on to develop long COVID. The first group is those groups of individuals who have had repeat infections. And what research shows is that the possibility for developing long COVID will increase as you have become more infected. The second at-risk factor is the viral load that you've got of the COVID antibodies in your system. And then the third risk factor, of course, is whether or not you have any other underlying medical conditions that might make you susceptible to COVID-related complications. In my last video, I talked about how you might be eligible for short-term disability benefits, but I suggested that when there's a transition between short and long-term disability benefits, things get dicey. You're not automatically going to be paid long-term disability benefits once you've been paid out those short-term disability benefits. Most long-term disability policies are going to define disability and your own occupation differently than the definitions contained in the short-term disability policy or plan. That's why it's important before you stop work to get both your short-term disability policy or plan documents and your long-term disability policy or plan documents, because we need to understand what it is you have to prove as you make that transition from short-term to long-term disability benefits. There is, by the way, a number of important terms that you need to be looking at. One obviously is the definition of disability. 2 is going to be the definition of your occupation. And 3 is potentially going to be a subjective medical condition limitation. I know that may sound strange, but disability plans are beginning to apply subjective medical condition clauses, if there is one in your plan or policy, to long COVID claims. And basically, that means that if your disease or medical condition is characterized by subjective symptoms, your benefits can be limited to just 2 years. So it's really important that you understand what's in your disability insurance policy or plan before you stop work and apply for benefits. If you have any questions about your rights to disability benefits as a result of COVID, give me a call at 727-894-3188. I look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve.